Fam. Hey, Pella, bring in the Kruger. Pella, bring in the Kruger. Hey, you're always checking your coast. Let me go back. Anyway. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Anyway, so any chuchu.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. There is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. You had the time of your life. Had we met
how you guys doing? It is a brand new day. This is our last day in the Kruger and we are already all dressed. Kruger colors, fam. Hey, pull up in the Kruger. Pull up in the Kruger. Hey, you're always checking your coast. Let me go back. Anyway, I'm so scared. I'm feeling scared. Anyway, so any chuchu. Hi fam, we are leaving. I just wanted to quickly show you the shower, which I never got to use, but it's just a basic shower, right? Let me show you. Hi fam, it's home time. I-vacation iphelile. Leswi nga heriki swa hlola. So we had dropped off the kids at the pools, so now we're fetching them and then we're going home. Let's go home fam. Alrighty, ciao.
Something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like
Susu, are you dry? Come, let's go home, guys. Buddy, let's go. Asambe. They are the big sisters. Yo.
it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. It felt like coming home. Had we met before? Instant chemistry.
Oh yeah.
It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright.
Hi guys, it is the end of our trip and we just wanted to have a quick check-in on how the trip was. What did we like, what did we not like, what we felt we needed more of, and our favorite animals. Just that. Alright kiddios, let let's debrief. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, alright. I just wanted to check with you guys. How was the Kruger National Park for you? Let's start with Shampa.
It was nice.
It was nice. And for you, Kenzo?
It was nice. I loved the swimming part. I
Okay.
always love the swimming part.
And Shuri? Shuri,
Huh?
how was the Skukuza for you? Okay, let's move on to...
Fun. It was nice.
Okay, let's move on to Sis Bali. Sis Bali, hey. Please look at us.
It was nice.
Okay. And before we move from you, Sis Bali, what is the one thing that you enjoyed about it?
The aircon.
That's a very good one, Sis Bali, because now we are going back to reality, ne? And it's very hot here in Mpumalanga, in Mkush. And Shuri, what did you enjoy about Skukuza? Swimming. And Kenzo, girl, what did you enjoy about Skukuza?
Okay, I want to say 2 things.
Okay.
Also, I want to I'm saying that we mostly saw a lot of pajama donkeys. I mean zebras. Yeah, and then the other thing I wanted to say is I already told you guys I love the swimming pool, but then the other thing I liked is the aircon.
Just like this Bali.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's really, really hot.
Yeah.
But at least we have...
And
I enjoy swimming.
swimming. Can you swim the whole day?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you get tired when you're swimming? But you can still do it the whole day. Alright. Okay. Now we're done with the activities. Let's move on to your favorite animal. Shampa girl.
My favorite animal was the giraffe.
The giraffe. Kenzo, your favorite animals from the ones we saw?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay. Shuri, your favorite animal?
Oh no, it was a water bug. Sorry, it was a water bug.
Okay.
My favorite one was the elephant swimming in the water.
Oh, in the mud.
I mean, my favorite animal.
Oh yeah, we did see an elephant swimming in the water.
And we also saw a crocodile.
Okay, so
Mara
Bali.
didn't attack.
It was the pajama donkeys, the zebras.
I mean, my favorite. If our grandmother was there, she would love it because we saw a lot.
Okay.
Those are our favorite animals. Animal was
Alright, and so Bali, before we move from you, your last words. What was your favorite thing to eat? It can be a snack, it can be a drink.
Wors.
Yeah, the way she was jumping.
And Shuri, what did you enjoy eating?
Oh, this is sweet.
Zimbas.
Zimbas and marshmallows.
Zimbas is mash and marshmallows. Shuri.
You already said me.
Eh?
Oh, you said slowly.
Okay, Shampo.
No, it's my turn.
Snacks. Okay, Kenzo.
My favorite was the hot dogs.
The hot dog.
Even my friend Simtandile, she loved them.
Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you.